Sigma, which is an NLP-based platform to help you automate your tests. We'll be looking at a demo on how to test the latest application that you have built with Test Sigma and how, if you make changes in the application's features, how you can understand its effect on the tests that you have written using Test Sigma's reporting features. So let's get started. There's a bunch of things that you can see on this dashboard. I have created a new application. You can go here, create a new, and then go into creating a new application. So you can, so if you want to create a new project, you go on create new, then you go to that page, just add in the project name and start. So I did that, and you can see there's a bunch of generic projects that you can use to get started with testing. I will be using the recent one that I built, the shopping cart website, so which is this one. So this is the page that I'll be using to test. Right, so I had it in a test. I'll just show you what it was. So before that, let's take a look at this dashboard. Has the latest runs for today. There's also a report that you can view for all of the tests. So how many of them failed, when they failed, when they passed. All the logs are there here for this test. And this has been running hourly for the entire day. So this is a test plan that I created. So you can be doing that if you click on this one. This did pass. This is on July 37 at 12:58. Or did it take 12:58? 12 seconds and 582 milliseconds it took. And this is at 1:35. So this test passed at 1:35 and rest all the times it failed. So it shows you all of these reports and everything. So that's great. Coming back to our dashboard that we were looking at. Yeah, so you can see the total test cases, the ones that passed, the ones that have failed, not executed ones, automated test coverage, manual test coverage. Then what's the test plan schedule? So I created a test plan and scheduled it on Wednesday. So today is Thursday. It has started running. It did pass once and twice at certain timings, and it failed all of the rest of the times. And these are the rest that are scheduled. So 24 hours in a day, how many times are they executing this? This should be hourly. So also on Friday, the same test plan is scheduled hourly for Friday as well as for Saturday. So this is how you can just schedule your tests to run timely so that you know that your website is running and it's working correctly and its health is good. There's a lot of other sections where you can see the test cases that have been submitted for review. So in case you're collaborating on a team project and there's other people who have submitted test cases, you'll be able to see this. And you'll be also seeing test cases that have been waiting for your review, so you can also review them. There's a test case status-wise breakup. So there's ready, there's unit test, and then there's priority-wise. So there'll be different priority-wise breakups as well, based on the new test cases that you create. I just have a generic test. So let's go ahead and look at what test cases we have. This is